how to turn off or delete WhatsApp channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off and delete a WhatsApp channel. So for that, just open your WhatsApp account, and here in the update section you will see the channels that I am following and the channel that I have created right here. And in order to turn off a channel, all you have to do is just click on the channel that you're following already. You can see the bell icon on the top right. So when you click on the bell icon, you can see that the notification of this channel has been turned off. So this is basically how you will turn off the channel. And if you want to delete the channel from your following list, so just click on the three dot icon from the top right again and just click on unfollow, and in this way this channel will no longer be in your following list and it will disappear and delete in your feed list. So this is basically how you can turn off or delete WhatsApp channel. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.